Planning a restaurant build-out in Los Angeles? Knowing the costs up front is key to a smooth project and a successful opening. Construction and tenant improvements can range from $50 to over $400 per square foot, depending on your space and design. Kitchen equipment often runs $50,000 to $200,000 or more, while furniture and decor can add $20,000 to $100,000. Don't forget permits, professional fees, and a contingency fund for surprises. Factors like location, space condition, and utility upgrades all impact your budget. Careful planning, experienced contractors, and smart choices help keep costs in check and your restaurant on track.